High fiber, high energy, sugar-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, super healthy, super quick and easy, super delicious energy balls loaded with powerful blueberries were super addictive, but so good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw half a cup of almonds into a food processor. Then pour hot water over 6 mature dates. And add them too. Along with half a cup of freeze-dried blueberries. Next, blend it until smooth. Now cut and roll the dough into little bite-sized balls. And throw them into melted dark chocolate. Let them cool in the fridge. And enjoy with super healthy and super tasty blueberry energy balls. Thanks for watching.